To access Instagram Insights, first open the app. Click on the upper right corner of your screen and click Settings. Select Account and scroll down to select Switch to Professional Account. Since you can't access Insights if you are using a personal account, then follow the steps given to be a professional account. Now, you will be able to access professional dashboard and see your Instagram Insights. Using the previous steps, you can also change it back to a personal account if you want to. And there you have it! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.